Handcrafted items made in Africa will warm Canadian homes, while the proceeds will give support and comfort to orphans and widows of the AIDS epidemic back home. One woman from Zimbabwe is making a difference with her efforts. CTV's Jim Alexander brings us her story.
Gladys, this is just beautiful.
She was already in the country for a Crossroads Canada workshop, but Gladys Mukaratirwa didn't come empty-handed. Her samples of batik handcrafts help promote the possible expansion of sales through the 10,000 Villages boutique chain based in New Hamburg. Proceeds are used to help care for children in the Zimbabwe village of Bonda, whose families have been devastated by HIV/AIDS.
I'm quite happy that at least the community is capable of taking care of their own orphans and vulnerable people, because it's capable of producing something which is marketable, and then they can look after their own orphans.
A situation made increasingly desperate as the spread of HIV/AIDS robs families of fathers and mothers, leaving younger children as the head of households. The Canadian International Development Agency is involved through programs like prevention of mother-to-children transmission of HIV and encouraging hospital staff to help change attitudes about the spread of AIDS.
We have found through 2 years of work that if we look at 14,000 or so mothers who delivered babies at our 14 partner rural hospitals, about half of those would come for counseling and testing, and then another half, so we're down to about 30% or so, would actually get their results.
A battle fought still against the stigma of AIDS and blame, one now waged on the ground with help from the Bonda Women's Center. Jim Alexander, CTV News, Kitchener.